Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the OBS studio to record your screen. So without wasting our time, let's get started right now. So OBS is basically a free and open source software. It is used for recording and live streaming. You can use it on multiple OS like Windows, Mac and Linux. You can also use it on Ubuntu with the help of Snap Store. But for now I'm not going deep in that. To download OBS Studio, go to obsproject.com and simply here choose your OS. If you are on Windows, then select Windows, and if you are on Mac or MacBook, then just select Mac OS. After downloading and installing, open up OBS Studio. So the first time you open OBS Studio, it's gonna look like this. I mean, not exactly like this, because the first time you open it, it will ask you whether you want it to optimize for only recording or live streaming. Select it according to your need. In my case, I only choose the only for recording. The first thing you have to do is create a scene here. For that, click on this plus icon and it will show you a dialog box. You can change the name from here as well. You can also rename it later, but I always prefer to name it first so that I can keep everything organized. So after creating the scene, in order to record your screen, you have to add a source here. For that, go to the Sources tab and click on this plus icon. Here you can see different options. To record your screen, click on this Display Capture. And here again you can give a name to the source, which I will do it. So just click on OK. Now you have to set the properties of your display. Suppose you have multiple monitors and you want to record only one of them. So you can select your monitor or your display from here. In the capture method, you can select your graphics card. If you have NVIDIA graphics card or even any other graphics card, you can select it from here. But if you are in a low-end PC like me, then I will suggest you to set it on automatic. Now just click on OK and here you can see your screen. You can resize it according to your preference. You can also add filters on this source by clicking on this filter button. Now just click on start recording and it will start to record your screen. Now what if you want to capture only one particular window? Well, for that just click on this plus icon and select window capture. And from here you can select your window that you want to capture. You can also play with these settings to get better results. But in my case, I don't actually mess with these settings. The defaults works best for me. Now that you can record your display, you might want to also record your audio. And audio, I mean both internal and external. To do that, you can select these two options. If you want to record your voice while recording, then select audio input capture. Select your microphone from here. And in the mixers tab, you can adjust the levels of your microphone. And if you want to record the internal audio, I mean the desktop audio or the laptop audio, then just add the audio output capture. From here, choose the speaker or your headphone. Again, you can add filters to these sources by clicking on this filters tab. In some of my next video, I will show you that. You can also record only gameplay by adding game capture in the sources tab. OBS is a free software and you can use lots of plugins inside OBS. You can also get some of them from obsproject/resources. Link is already given in the description below. With OBS, you can also do live streaming on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch and many other platforms. I will show you that in some of my next video because currently I don't have any other channels to do live streaming. So that's for today's video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more interesting videos like this. I will see you in the next one.